Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your AirPods Max have some charge and are out of the case. Then put them into pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED flashes. Once done, switch to your Apple TV and open settings, then remotes and devices, then Bluetooth. This is where the Apple TV listens for new headphones. You're doing this because Apple TV uses Bluetooth discovery for external audio, so starting both devices in pairing state speeds up detection and prevents pairing with other nearby devices. When the AirPods Max appear in the Apple TV Bluetooth list, select them. The remote may prompt you to confirm, accept to pair. Once connected, the Apple TV automatically routes audio to the headphones. Verify by opening Control Center and checking the audio output tile. Make sure you select spatial audio or head tracking if you want immersive sound, because those options live in the output settings and enhance dialogue clarity and directionality. This step locks the headphones as the active playback device for video and apps. Test with a short video and adjust volume using the Siri remote so you know controls work. If stereo balance, spatial audio, or Dolby settings need tuning, open Settings Video and Audio format options. These influence latency and channel mapping. If the AirPods Max don't show up, reset them. Hold the noise control and digital crown about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. If problems persist, restart the Apple TV. This clears Bluetooth caches and often resolves stubborn pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.